Welcome to our Wellness Wednesday Health Show. I'm your host, Dr. Paula Kruppstadt from the Back Pain and Joint Center of Texas, and we are just days away from the first ever TransMed Wellness Expo, which we feel very honored to be part of. And today I have a special guest, Jessie Jordan, who is the marketing director for the TransMed Wellness Center and helping to head up this expo. Jessie, welcome to our show today.
Thank you so much for having me. Glad to be here.
Now, we've had a lot of questions from our patients this week about what is this TransMed Wellness Expo, so take it away.
Okay, so basically whenever we came up with the idea of this expo, we wanted to bring together like-minded practitioners, providers, that sort of thing. Mm-hmm. So we thought about you, of course, and then we thought Dr. Cladwell, so people in the functional holistic medicine, so basically not someone who's just going to kind of push a pill, but more of lifestyle changes to really help improve overall health and wellness.
Oh, I love that, especially as we're starting in a new year. I know often health resolutions and goals people make at the beginning of the year.
Correct.
And this is just really, really exciting. Now, you mentioned a few different people.
Yes.
What are some of the things you're most excited about for this expo?
So personally, just being a woman,
mm-hmm.
Amber Pierce, who's an esthetician at New Leaf Spa and Laser, mm-hmm. she's doing a course for skincare, like in a fast-paced lifestyle. Okay. So for someone like myself, kids, work, that sort of thing, being able to hear someone talk about skincare, you know, kind of resonates with me.
Okay,
so,
very cool. What else are you excited for?
So Dr. Cheryl Winter,
mm-hmm.
I absolutely love her. She'll be speaking on diabetes. Mm-hmm. So basically how to reverse diabetes, the causes, that sort of thing, without the use of medications. Yeah.
And if I recall, she actually wrote a book about it.
She did.
Okay.
Yes, that's
and
correct,
she's been on, I think, different news outlets and
mm-hmm.
Does some tremendous work on helping to reverse diabetes. So I'm excited to hear from her as well.
Yeah.
Who else are you excited for?
Let's see. We've got so many fantastic speakers. Mm-hmm. Donna, who's actually in our complex, she'll be speaking about mindfulness. Mm-hmm. So kind of like in a stressful time that we're in right now, she's going to take a step back and kind of help us figure out how to work through that stress.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
And we have so many more. I think was it 16 or so?
16, yep.
Okay, 16. And we feel, again, honored to be one of those. I'm really excited to hear from people like Dr. Cladwell, who I've known for years, and for many years she had a waiting list just to get in to see her.
That's correct.
Which is really cool because I know she's going to have a presentation and then she's going to open up for Q&A so everyone can actually ask questions, and she's going to just answer them and spend some time with her. And it's cool to have access like this to professionals like that.
Yeah.
Who else? So many, but Dr. Paula Kruppstadt, she comes to mind as well. I have personal friends that have been on a 12-month waiting list to see Dr. Kruppstadt.
Wow.
Right, and they're still on that waiting list. I think they're like 9 months out now. So they've been about 3 months on this, but they said it's worth it because she is that good. She's going to be here that day presenting. Same thing, have a presentation, going to open up for a Q&A, and everyone's going to be able to ask questions. She'll answer them. And it's just, it's very rare that I've been involved in an expo, whether as a participant or as an attendee, where there are so many great healthcare professionals. Usually you get one or two, and it's a lot of fluff.
Yes.
But here, like, we have multiple ones where I know they're committed, they're passionate about helping people, they have waiting lists to get into their practice, and they're making themselves available for this one day and saying, hey, come learn, we want to teach you everything we have.
Yeah.
So I'm super excited for that.
For sure.
Super, super excited.
For sure.
I saw on one of the flyers, is this right, we're going to have cooking classes?
Yes, there's 2 different cooking demonstrations.
Okay.
And we are encouraging people to sign up ahead of time for those because space is limited.
Okay.
So on the website, there's all the information to sign up for those ahead of time. But there's a gluten-free cooking class and then a vegan soup as well.
Okay.
So whatever your palate.
Love it.
Yes.
Well, I know a lot of people are working on eating healthier and recipes, so
absolutely.
and that's going to be in the cooking kitchen here in the building, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So there will be people here during the expo to kind of help guide. So for people who are new to the complex, there will be people available to help you get to where you need to go.
Okay, awesome. And then is also my understanding there's going to be other health professionals, vendors here that day as well?
Yes, so we've carefully selected vendors that kind of go along with our mission for the expo. So we've got some fantastic vendors. The Granary is one, a health food store here in town. I know that you love them. Who else do we have? A lot of the speakers are also vendors.
Okay.
So for people who are interested in Cheryl Winter, for instance, she'll be a vendor as well.
Okay.
Dr. Tom Reed, he'll be here. He's written several books. So he'll be there with those, and he also endorses Young Living essential oils.
Okay.
So, yeah, pretty good spread of people.
Love it, love it. And what are the hours? It's going to be this Saturday. Is that the 22nd?
That's the 22nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay. Now, if somebody wants to come and only for a couple of those, can they kind of come and go as they want that day?
Absolutely. So whenever people arrive, they'll be given a schedule as well as like a description of the courses going on, so they can determine what's best for kind of their needs.
Okay. Is the schedule available online right now? Because I'm one of these guys where it's like I'll have my agenda worked out ahead of time. I'm highlighting classes I want to go to. I'm one of those. Yes, yes. So is it available now?
It is. It's available online.
Okay.
So it'll have the name of the speaker and the topic to kind of give a general view of what it'll be about.
I'll make sure I put a link on this video so y'all just click that we can check out what's going on, the Expo webpage, the speakers, their topics, and also we can pre-register. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. So we've already got over 100 people pre-registered.
That's awesome.
So yes, so if you're interested, I would advise buying tickets as soon as possible.
Okay. Tickets are available online?
Tickets are available online, yes.
Perfect, perfect. And is there like an early bird discount still going on, or is that already expired?
So it is still going on.
Okay.
So tickets are $10. They will go up to $15 on Friday.
Okay, very, very cool. Jesse, thank you so much. I am just, again, so honored to be part of this expo, that our practice can be here with so many other great healthcare professionals helping to improve the health and wellness of our community. So you guys make sure, get signed up, get your tickets. We look forward to seeing you guys this Saturday at the first ever TransMed Wellness Expo. See you guys then.